Hi guys, and today we'll discuss keyboard actions. What is keyboard actions? I will explain practically. I'm go to Google and search it Selenium, and I want this particular Selenium job bin about Hyderabad, and I want not using this particular mouse and using keyboard and arrow down. I will using left right buttons and down, 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 and down, and enter. And this particular activity, how to automate this particular activity in automation in Selenium WebDriver. I will show it this particular activity, keyboard event, keyboard action. First of all, import that particular activity. And for now, thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for more love and thank you, and please subscribe and support me. And for now we launch browser and enter Google URL, search box URL. After I will open not Selenium dot events keys. Okay, I will keys driver dot find element by dot name by dot name. This is a particular search box, and that search box enter the key, enter the data, particular data Selenium. I will search it that particular Selenium. And how to automate steps in Selenium, will show to how to automate this. I will dot send keys dot arrow down dot send keys arrow down. I will apply in thread dot sleep is a Waite statement. It's wait 3000 in 3 seconds. Dot send keys enter. Control S. I will run the program and launch browser, enter URL, enter Selenium and arrow down. I want Selenium interview questions, enter and enter the Selenium. This is the automate the this particular steps in Selenium WebDriver. Help to keyboard actions, and import the package of arrow.openqa Selenium, and we are using arrow down methods, and we is using. And thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you guys.